What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to mine Uniswap on Windows 10 using unMineable miner. This can be done using a graphics card or a CPU, so whatever your hardware preference is. So what you're going to want to do is head over to Google and search up unMineable miner. You can just click on the first link and you will most likely be brought to this page, the downloads page, but if not, just navigate up here and click on downloads. You're going to have two options. The first option includes the miners, and the second option does not. So if you're new to mining, I'd recommend this one. If not, and you have your own miners, click on that one. So I've already downloaded it, so we're going to head over and click on Finder. So you're going to head over to wherever you downloaded it. And then what you're going to do is it's going to be a compressed file that you get, and you're going to want to right click and extract here, and then that will give you this unMineable application. Next you just want to click on it, open the application. It will take a little bit, probably about 5 seconds. It may take longer for the first time you're opening it. Here we go, and then this is the front page. You're going to want to press continue. And then this, you have two options. You can use graphics card or CPU. I'm going to be using CPU just for the simplicity of the video. And for both of these, you're going to have miner location, which should already be set up if you downloaded the main version. I mean the other version, which already has them downloaded. If the path, when you're starting to mine, and if the path isn't set up properly, it will not run. And you'll know that. So I have made two separate videos, one for Phoenix Miner and one for XMRig on in two other videos. So I'll link that up here if you have any issues with the path. But if not, let's just continue. And then you're going to choose your coin. So we're going to want to use Uniswap. And then you're going to want to put your address. Make sure and double check your address is correct, otherwise you will not get paid at all. So then next thing is there's a referral code. This will reduce your fees from 1% to 0.75%, so it is pretty helpful. I will leave my referral code down in the description below. Then you're going to want to click start. So it will take about maybe a couple minutes to actually get a generated hash rate, but in general this is the shows your balance, and then some other stats, and then you got some settings here. You can choose the intensity. I recommend if you are not using your computer a lot, I would leave it on high, and if it's just idling, I would keep it on high. Otherwise, if you're going to be using your computer while you're mining, I would recommend clicking on low. Otherwise, it might cause some damage to your computer if you're still running on high and using your computer. Other than that, you can change your worker name that will show online for your stats. And yeah, that's pretty much it for settings. If we go back, again, don't be worried if it's showing a 0 hash rate for a little bit. It does take a little bit to set up. So if you go to stats up here, it will take you to a website, the unMineable website with your address, and then again it shows your balance, and then this shows for payment if you want to get paid automatically or manually. It has to reach the threshold of 1.56, but this number does change depending on the price of Uniswap. So once that 1.56 is reached, you can just enable pay automatically or manually pay out. Below you will see your all your workers and their hash rate over time. So once your miners get going, it will show here. So that's pretty much it for the website and stats. I think that's pretty much it. The last thing I wanted to touch on was security. This is a safe application and miner. It is trusted, but you may have some issues on your computer from Google or whatever web browser you're using for downloading it. If you do that and have issues and it gets blocked, I would just go to Google settings and turn off safe browsing, and then you should be able to download it. As well, for Windows, if you have any issues opening the application, go to your security settings in Windows and turn off real-time protection so that you can actually open this application, but only do that knowing that you're doing it for this application. I would turn it back on whenever you're going to be going on Google again or opening new applications. I would turn it back on. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you, but I hope you guys found this video helpful. And again, I'll leave my referral code down in the description if you guys want to reduce your fees. So I appreciate it, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.